Most families in the US still rely on one thing for cooking dinner every night, the oven. But here's the question, what if there's something faster, cheaper to run, and honestly easier? Because air fryers are everywhere right now. Some people swear they've replaced their oven completely. Others say it's just a small gadget that can't compete. So which one actually makes more sense for a real family kitchen? Today, we're breaking down air fryer versus oven, and by the end, you might completely change how you cook at home. And wait until you hear the electricity difference. It's not what most people expect. The reality of everyday cooking. Let's be honest, most families aren't cooking gourmet meals every night. It's usually something like frozen pizza, chicken nuggets, fries, maybe some baked vegetables. Now here's where things get interesting, because both the oven and air fryer can cook all of that, but the experience is completely different. But one of them is quietly costing you way more time every single week. Speed comparison. Let's start with speed, because this is where most people notice the biggest difference. An oven usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes just to preheat, and then cooking can take another 20 to 40 minutes depending on what you're making. An air fryer, most of the time, you just turn it on and start cooking immediately. That alone changes everything for busy family. But speed isn't the only thing that matters, because what happens next is where people start arguing. Food quality. When it comes to taste, the oven has one big advantage: space. You can cook large trays, bake full meals, and handle big family portions easily. But air fryers do something different. They circulate hot air in a smaller space, which often makes food crispier, especially things like fries and frozen snacks. So here's the real question. Do you want more food at once or better texture in less time? Energy and cost. Now this is where most people get surprised. Ovens use a lot of electricity, especially when preheating and running for long periods. Air fryers use significantly less power because they heat a smaller space and cook faster. For a family cooking daily, that difference can actually add up over time. But here's where it gets interesting, because saving energy doesn't always mean saving effort. Convenience factor. With an oven, you usually need trays, preheating, monitoring, and more cleanup. With an air fryer, it's often just put food in, set time, done. That simplicity is why so many families end up using it for quick meals, snacks, and even reheating leftovers. But does that mean the oven is becoming useless? Not even close, because there's one major thing the air fryer still cannot replace in most family kitchens, and it's not what you think. We'll get to that in a minute. Family size reality check. For small families or couples, the air fryer is almost perfect. But for larger families, especially when cooking multiple portions at once, the oven still has a big advantage. You simply can't fit a full dinner for 5 to 6 people in most air fryers at the same time. So now we're back to the real trade-off: convenience versus capacity. Cleaning and maintenance. Another underrated factor is cleanup. Ovens usually mean multiple trays, racks, and a bigger mess overall. Air fryers are much simpler. Most baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup faster and easier for busy households. But even this advantage has a limit: the honest truth. So after comparing speed, cost, convenience, and cooking results, here's the honest truth. It's not really air fryer versus oven. It's about how you cook in your daily life. Final verdict. If you're cooking for a large family, making big meals, or baking in bulk, the oven is still essential. But if you're focused on quick meals, snacks, or fast cleanup, the air fryer easily wins the everyday battle. In fact, most modern families don't replace the oven. They just use the air fryer way more often. What should you actually buy? If you're trying to decide between the two, here's a simple way to think about it. For most US families, the best setup isn't choosing one over the other. It's knowing what each one is best for. If you want the best air fryer right now, popular picks include the Ninja Crispi Pro and the Cosori Iconic, both known for consistent cooking and reliability. And if you prefer a full oven-style setup, the Emeril Lagasse French Door Air Fryer Oven Combo is often considered one of the best ovens, as it can handle bigger meals and multiple trays at once and is suitable for bigger families. I've added links to all these best air fryers and ovens in the description below so you can check current prices. So which one makes more sense for your home, air fryer or oven? Let me know in the comments, and check out my next video where I break down basket versus glass air fryers, the real difference. Thank you.